Struggling to stay focused while studying alone? Let's unlock the secret to supercharge study sessions by learning how to use Study Bunny with friends. First, make sure you and your friends have Study Bunny downloaded and set up. Once everyone is in, focus on the bottom of the screen and tap the focus button to begin a study session. Next, tap the book icon to select the Study With Me option. This is where the magic happens. Now you'll see a screen that says Start a Study With Me session. Tap the Create Study Group button to start a new session with your friends. The app will create an invitation code. Share this code with your friends who want to join your study session. This allows them to connect to your session. Your friends then go to the main Study With Me page and now enter the code to join the session. As you study, Study Bunny tracks your progress. Now you and your friends can see how long everyone has studied for. This is a great way to stay accountable and motivated as you study. The best part is, when you finish a Study With Me session, you earn rewards with your study group that contribute to customizing your bunny or buying new items.